Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 7800 XT gaming OC 16G and then hit enter. And then click on the product, and after that this is your graphic card. Click on it. Then click on support. Then select operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installation same, Windows 10 and 11. Select this. This is your driver, and this is download icon. When you click to download it icon, it will start downloading in the download box. You can see it will take some time, depend about your internet. After it is downloaded, then click on three dot and then go to history. Sorry, click on download. Then it is completed. Then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that, this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more, and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that, this is installing. It will take some time, and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system.